Wagwan, my people. It's your boy Albino with another episode of full Rammy energy. I wake up this morning with the sun upon my face. My energy turn way up, fully charged. That a blessing, my people. So me have to give thanks, you see me? You see when you're blessed, you can accomplish anything. Me used to par with some goat. When them see me, me get enough ratings. But as my back turn, a beer knife to that, you see it? Yeah. You see betrayal? It not come from stranger. It come from the same friend them you par with. And where you eat bush with at daytime. But here me good, me learn a valuable lesson. You see goat where have value and purpose, them always become a big target. And goat where have vision, some people always want to blind them. But me nah lose no sleep for people where back and belly cutlass. Me realize the only goat me trust are me. Me no need a crowd for feel strong. And me no need hype for feel like me worthy. Last week, a woman from America, we move come live down a flat hill. See me a walk past her gate and start chat up her mouth. Hear her no. Why these people have their goats roaming around like they are lost?
Someone should build them a goat pen so they can be properly taken care of. Chatty mouth.
Yeah man, chatty mouth me. Like she run Jamaica. You see me? When me see people business, me leave it alone. And me walk straight in her yard. Me nyam down everything. Me nyam down all the our flowers them. The daisy, the hibiscus, the rose bush, everything. And me not stop there so. Me see our little East Indian mango tree where she love and water every morning. Me nyam done that too. Now every time she see me, she screw up her face and slam her gate. But me no business. The real Rammy them know say anything goat bite, that nah grow back. For real. Right now, she can't plant nothing, not even thyme, without me approval. Real talk. She have to learn to see and blind and hear and deaf. Keep your energy up, my people. So drop a heart in the comment section if you like my shirt. Real boss thing. Yeah, man. I'm going now, my people. You see the likes and the shares? Yeah, man, I might think that. So drop a comment, subscribe, and remember, stay bucking, full Rammy energy.